The next technique that we are going to use is the formal furnace. So we can do it in two ways. One, by placing my little piece of foamy that I am going to have to form under a piece of cloth. The iron must be in the middle ground and I must place it on the foamy for a while, and I will checking that it is taking the shape I want. It is important that if the foamy is already decorated, they place it down with the decoration so that it stays that way. The other way is to place the foamy directly on the plate so that it inflates. We are going to do it like this with patiently waiting. He is going to first stick a little bit of the plate, and then he is going to give the shape. And the following technique that we are going to use this beautiful shapes with the molds, so we are going to cut a piece of foamy more or less like a centimeter and a half advantage on all sides. We place it under the cloth that we are going to use. We iron a good space, waiting for the foamy to heat up quite a bit, and when we feel that it is already well we are going to take it out, but we are going to turn them over the mold so that they are shiny. The part that goes over the part of the mold must be the one that received the heat. In this case, I place it here. He placed the counter mold, he pressed it and waited a few seconds there until the foamy cools down again. When I take it out, I took it out. My shape is all ready as I wish, and I can cut the excesses.